Top 7 foods that dissolve blood clots naturally. Blood clots are essential for our survival, as they prevent excessive bleeding when we get injured. However, when these clots form inside blood vessels where they are not needed, or fail to dissolve naturally, they can pose serious health risks. Clots can travel through the bloodstream and block vital organs like the brain, heart, or lungs, leading to severe complications. To dissolve blood clots, certain foods can be beneficial due to their natural properties. Here are 7 foods that are known to help dissolve blood clots. 1. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that interacts with fibrinogen to break down the fibrin that holds blood clots together. Incorporating pineapples into your diet can aid in clot dissolution. 2. Garlic. Garlic is known to inhibit the production of thromboxane, a substance involved in blood clot formation. It also contains a gene and adenosine, which help prevent and dissolve blood clots effectively. 3. Onions. Onions also contain adenosine, making them beneficial for preventing and dissolving blood clots. Including onions in your diet can contribute to clot reduction. 4. Fish. Fish, especially varieties rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines, can help reduce cholesterol levels, thin the blood, and decrease clotting. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish have shown potential in reducing clot formation. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties. It may help prevent blood clotting and contribute to clot dissolution. Turmeric can be used in various dishes or consumed as a tea. 6. Ginger. Ginger is another anti-inflammatory spice that may assist in preventing blood clotting. While more research is needed to fully understand its blood-thinning properties, incorporating ginger into your diet can be beneficial for clot prevention. 7. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, when added to dishes or beverages, can provide a spicy flavor and potentially aid in preventing blood clots. It can be used sparingly in various recipes. These foods offer natural alternatives that may help in preventing and dissolving blood clots. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are at risk of blood clots or are currently undergoing treatment. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.